And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this flag pole. And I'm going to open this up and show you everything you get. So we have a nicely included little American flag. We have a little flag pole there. This is nice metal. We have the other parts of our flag pole here to make it longer. Then we have, this is the adapter for how your flag actually goes on this pole. So this essentially slides onto the pole, and then you're able to use these included hooks to put through there and then put through the holes on the flag. That's what those are for. A little Allen wrench as well. And then this is the mount. Also has the screws for mounting everything, tightening it, etc. And then again, another nice metal mount. So this mounts to the wall, and then your poles go into here. And of course, in case you need it, a little guide telling you how to put it all together. And that's it for the box.